What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I review different things that I buy and actually use. So today I'm going to review the Potensic Elfin. This was a drone that was sent to me as a trial. I paid for it up front and then basically they refunded the money after I tried it out, did a review, things like that. So what it comes with your 4 blade guards, spare set of props, blades, whatever you want to call it, screwdriver, manual, charging cable, and 2 batteries. So it's decent little size, definitely fits in your pocket. Comes with a nice case, nice hard case. Blades fold out and you put the little prop guards on, turn it on. It has a 2K camera on it, 2 smart batteries, runs off your iOS, your phone. The controller kind of looks like a PS3 controller, maybe an Xbox controller. Takes 2 AA batteries, and then this flips up to hold your phone. The phone mounts like that. Connect to the drone software with the Potensic Toy app, and it flies pretty decent. I'll overlay some footage that I took with it up in the mountains, and some footage I took just flying around, I think, the football field. Overall, it's a decent drone. I wrote the company, I said for what it is, for what the cost is, I think this one was under 100, definitely. So for what it cost, I said it's decent. I wish this camera was on the other drone that I reviewed, and I'll link that video here. My suggestion to them for their other drone is to come out with something similar, because the things I didn't like about this one, I'm not a big fan of tiny drones. They're really hard to control and to keep stabilized, and the controller does have, you can change the pitch and yaw of the body of the drone so it can stabilize and stay pretty much level, but it doesn't have that auto stabilization feature that the other drone that I reviewed does. So when it's sitting there, a decent gust of wind will blow it off course, where the other drone, it will stay absolutely wherever you put it. The controls are definitely more finicky than the other one, but overall it still flies pretty decent. Has the headless mode, has the take a picture and a video with the remote onto your camera. It has a return home feature. So overall, if you're looking for a drone that's kind of entry level, again, if you know, this one hits the water, you're out $70, $80. It's not bad. It does take decent photos and decent video. But again, if they added this camera to my other drone body and sold a drone similar to that, I would definitely purchase that drone, because the other drone I have, it flies phenomenal. I've never had any issues with it. Now, it's not FAA certified, you don't have to have a pilot's license or anything, but it does go pretty decent aerial shots. Other than that, it's a decent drone for the price. I did crash this thing into some tree branches and it fell about 15-20 feet onto soft leaves and dead branches and things. Didn't seem to hurt it at all. So for the sturdy, it's plastic body, but pretty sturdy. So there you go. If you need a little budget drone for $80, not a bad one. I'll put a link in the description below for this one through on Amazon if you're interested. And until my next review, have a great day.